In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam download queued issue. If you've been frustrated by this persistent problem, don't worry, you're not alone. Although it can be particularly annoying, remedying this situation is generally straightforward. Let's walk through each step you can take to get those downloads moving again. First, let's start with the basics. It's essential to ensure that you're connected to the internet. Check your connection to make sure it's stable. Sometimes simply reconnecting can resolve minor issues related to queued downloads. Next, we'll want to restart the Steam client. Often, a quick refresh can clear up minor glitches that impede your downloads. Just close the Steam application and then open it again to see if this resolves the issue. If restarting doesn't do the trick, you'll want to clear the download cache in Steam. To do this, head over to Steam Settings and navigate to the Downloads section. Here you'll find an option to clear your download cache. Confirming this action will log you out of Steam, so be prepared to sign back in once the process is complete. Another thing to check is your download region. Sometimes selecting the nearest server to your location can enhance download performance. To adjust this setting, go to Settings, click on Downloads, and look for the Download Region drop-down menu. Select the server closest to you for optimal speeds. At times, simply managing your download queue can resolve the issue. Locate the game that is stuck in the queue, right-click on it, pause the download, then resume it. This manual intervention can often reinvigorate a stalled download. Now let's consider your network configuration. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it might be interfering with your ability to download. For troubleshooting, try disabling your VPN or proxy temporarily and see if this allows the download to proceed. Running Steam as an administrator can sometimes circumvent permissions issues that may be impeding downloads. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and opt to Run as Administrator. This change in permissions can make a difference, particularly on systems with tighter security settings. It's also worth checking whether you have enough disk space on the drive where you are attempting to install your game. Lack of space can cause downloads to halt, so make sure you have adequate storage available. Another potential roadblock could be background applications consuming bandwidth. It's a good idea to close unnecessary programs that might be affecting your download speed. If you've tried everything else and nothing seems to solve the problem, reinstalling Steam can be a last resort. This step means uninstalling the client and installing it again, so ensure you have your login credentials handy before you begin. Reinstallation can resolve underlying issues that other troubleshooting steps could not. In most cases, following this series of steps will resolve the download queued issue instantly, allowing you to enjoy your games without the frustration